Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, I gonna show you about different unique and very charming eye-catching nail polish design, jelly nail polish designs. It is very unique and very charming design like jelly-like nail polish designs. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. In this video, you can pick many ideas about jelly-like nail polish. Jelly-like nail polish included different colors along with glittery accent. Jelly nail polish art is a trendy and unique technique that has gained popularity in the world of the nail art. It involves using a special type of translucent or semi-transparent nail polish that create a jelly-like appearance on the nails. This style offers a fun and playful way to enhance your manicure with a vibrant and glossy finish. In this video, there are many more ideas about jelly nail polish art and ideas. Translucent finish. Jelly nail polish typically has a sheer or see-through quality, allowing your natural nail color to keep through. This creates a subtle and unreal effect that adds depth and dimension to your nails. Vibrant colors. Jelly nail polishes are available in a wide range of vivid shades, including pastels, neons, and bold hues. These colors have a lustrous and glossy finish, making them visually striking and eye-catching. In these ideas, a layering technique with the jelly-like nail polish idea is very popular. One of the unique aspects of the jelly nail polish art is the layering technique. You can achieve different levels of opacity and intensity by applying multiple coats of the jelly polish. Each layer adds more depth and richness to the color, giving your nails a mirroring and very charming effect. These are very unique and eye-catching ideas about nail paints. Thanks for watching.